Welcome to our SOLIDWORKS Simulations channels. In this video, you will carry out frequency analysis of a glass in order to evaluate three mode shapes of this glass as well as their resonant frequencies. First of all, open this glass model in SOLIDWORKS. You can download this 3D model of glass from our video description link. After opening it in SOLIDWORKS, go to the Simulation tab and start a new study. Then select a Frequency tab. You can give a specific name to your study. OK. After that, assign a material to this part. Just right click on the part and click on Apply Edit Material. Then go to the other non-metals. Then assign glass to this part. Apply. Close. So go to the frequency properties. And here you have to define the number of frequencies or mode you want to evaluate. We want to check the first three modes or first three natural frequencies of this glass. So enter the 3 and OK. So apply a fixed boundary conditions on the base of the glass. Just right click on the fixtures, select fixed geometry, then select this face. OK. So we have applied a fixed geometry conditions. After that, create a curvature based mesh. Go to mesh, create a mesh, and then from mesh parameters, select curvature based mesh. So mesh is being generated now. Mesh has been created. Now run your study and wait until your solution converge. If you are new to my channel, you can subscribe for more SOLIDWORKS simulations tutorials. So our simulation study has been completed. You can see here is the mode shape and the maximum amplitude. This is mode shape. This is the maximum amplitude values, and here is the frequency value for first mode. That is 16.23 Hz for first mode. If we click on these double arrows, you can see this is the mode shape 2. For that, the frequency value is 16.242 Hz. Similarly, for mode shape 3, this is the mode shape 3. Here is the frequency for this mode is about 40 Hz, and its maximum amplitude is 2.23 millimeters. You can also animate any mode or any shape. We can also list down all resonant frequencies from our that tab. You can see there are 3 number of modes, and the frequency against each mode is appear here. You can save this result table also. And we also can evaluate the list mesh participations. Here are the normalized values that show the mesh participations for each modes. For first mode, in x direction 8.001 and y direction is negligible, and for z direction 8.4142. Similarly, for other modes, you can see the mesh participations. We can also compare the different mode shapes. Just compare modes, select the number of modes you want to compare, and OK. You can say this is the mod shape 1, this is the mod shape 2, and this is the mod shape 3. And here is their values. So in this way we can compare the different mod shapes, their amplitudes, their mod shapes, as well as their frequency values. I hope you enjoyed this simulation study of frequency analysis of a glass. Please make a practice of this channel, this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.